Sis Jika, Tita Em at Tito Anthony binugking na may magic din ang pagmamahalang Don Bell. Saad ng dalawa, hindi lang sa kusina ang may magic. Magic sarap. Pati sa love story ni na Donnie at Bell. Their paths cross for a reason. We fully believe someone above pushed them together and said neither of you have ever had many people fighting your corner. So here's one who would set the wood on the fire for you. And totoo talagang ang meron sila. They don't have to force it. The smiles come easier. Their peace feels natural. With the right person, happiness feels like home. Tahanan nila ang isa't isa.